Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to open an existing file in draw.io. This is essential when you need to continue working on a diagram you've previously created or collaborate on files that others have shared with you. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to draw.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed on the home page. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your entry point into the draw.io workspace, where all the diagramming magic happens. After clicking Start, the platform will automatically redirect you to a new tab. This is where the main editor interface lives, and it's where you'll spend most of your time creating and editing diagrams. Give it a moment to fully load before proceeding to the next step. Now, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll find the File menu there. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down, select Open From. This option is specifically designed to help you access files stored in various locations, whether they're on your computer or in the cloud. Once you click Open From, a menu will appear presenting you with multiple storage options. You'll see choices like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, GitLab, Browser, Device, and URL. These options give you incredible flexibility depending on where your existing diagram file is stored. If you collaborate through cloud services, you can connect directly to those platforms. If you prefer local storage, you can browse your device instead. For this example, we're going to choose Device. This option allows you to access files that are saved locally on your computer or laptop. Click on Device to proceed. After selecting Device, your system's file browser will open automatically. This is the same interface you use whenever you're looking for files on your computer. Navigate through your folders to locate the existing draw.io file you want to open. These files typically have a .draw.xml extension, making them easy to identify. Once you've found the file, simply click on it to select it, then confirm your selection. The file will load directly into the draw.io editor, and you'll be able to continue working on your diagram exactly where you left off. And that's it. You've successfully opened an existing file in draw.io and can now edit, update, or share your diagram as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.